celebrate your small wins, di ba? It applies with everything and even sa pera. Now, identifying yung mga beliefs that have sabotaged yung finances mo so far, when you do this process again and again, kasi we will continue to do this, di ba? Hanggang ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. So, yun nga din yung sa akin, list 3 things you're doing well financially. Yung sa akin kasi, very critical ako. Hindi ko alam kung meron sa inyo nakaka-relate yung parang feeling mo perfectionist ka na pag may mali kang ginawa, hindi dapat ganito, dapat ganito. Na in the end, you're actually putting yourself down. And sa akin, sinasabotage ko yung sarili ko, sinuslow down ko yung sarili ko. So ito naman, I'm shifting my perspective to, okay, nagkamali ka, it's normal, magkakamali ka talaga. Meron kang hindi maintindihan at first. But that's why, I'm gonna be more compassionate sa sarili ko and actually pinpoint kung ano yung tama ko nagagawa and then I'll build on that. Kasi nga, siguro it goes then na itong affirmation, i-affirm ko yung sarili ko na kaya kong magawa. Hindi ko pa kaya right now, pero that's why I'm taking steps every day. And this small thing, celebrate your small wins, di ba? It applies with everything and even sa pera. Now, identifying yung mga beliefs that have sabotaged yung finances mo so far, when you do this process again and again, kasi we will continue to do this, di ba? Hanggang ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Show yourself compassion, be kind to yourself. Gagawin mo siya, not to put yourself down, but to actually hanapin yung bara, di ba? Or hanapin yung leaks, which is coming from tinuro sa atin or natutunan natin, na pick up natin somewhere along the way, growing up, or even as adults. So, babalik parate, ano yung gusto mong mangyari in terms of sa finances mo, and identify what is supporting you still and what is not supporting you anymore. Alisin ang mga hindi nagsusupport na, cut off, di ba? Amputate that part. And again, transformation starts with awareness, but it will grow with consistent action.